This is the Porsche 963 RSP, a one-off car that wasn't built for the showroom but somehow made it onto the street. It started as an idea. What if a real race car, not a toned-down version, but the actual thing, could be made legal for the road? Porsche and Penske made it happen. The RSP is based on their 963 prototype from Le Mans, with just enough changes to drive outside the track. It has working lights, a horn, license plates, even a raised ride height and softer suspension. Inside, there's real leather, some comfort, and a removable cup holder. But don't let that fool you. It's still running a hybrid V8 with over 680 horsepower. The design is inspired by a story from 1975, when someone drove a Porsche 917, a real race car, from the factory to Paris. The RSP brings that moment into today. Painted in silver, sitting on wet weather tires, it's a mix of old memories and modern engineering. Will it be sold? Maybe. Porsche hasn't said. But even if it stays as a one-off, it shows what's possible when you don't ask, should we? Only can we?